A debate over vaccines is back in the Capitol this week.
It has nothing to do with COVID, though. It's a debate over the vaccines you need to send your kids to school. And here with more is political reporter Will Keneally. Will?
So this past fall, the Department of Health Services made some changes to the vaccine that students need to enroll in Wisconsin schools. And we heard through 9 hours of testimony this week the underpinnings of some of the same distrust of public health officials that we saw throughout the pandemic.
I'll be honest with you, when I see you, I refer to you as Wisconsin's Dr. Fauci.
Senator Steve Naas, who co-chairs the committee that oversees rules created by the Evers administration, did not mean that as a compliment.
When we look at that past history and a number of things that were just flat out wrong, and kids have been harmed because of the school shutdowns, how do we trust you?
This was part of the line of questioning that Department of Health Services officials faced when they were before the legislature this week defending a new vaccine policy. Students entering the 7th and 12th grades would now be required to get the meningitis vaccine. For younger students, parents would need to prove a chickenpox diagnosis instead of just saying so, or otherwise get the vaccine.
And I do believe that there are some issues within this rule that do pose some undue hardships on parents.
Republicans argued that the risk of not vaccinating their kids is a choice for parents to make. But public health officials say it's about a bigger concern than just a single child.
But by reducing the number of people with symptomatic disease as much as we can, we reduce the likelihood that these dangerous germs will be spreading in a school or in a daycare.
Republicans on the committee, though, appear poised to get rid of the rule through an upcoming vote.
The people who are working in public health aren't nameless people creating rules arbitrarily or capriciously, but people who truly care about preventing bad things from happening to people in Wisconsin.
So now the vote to scrap that administrative rule is scheduled for tomorrow.